Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Commodity Watch. In today's video, as always, we're going to be analysing the gold and the crude oil price charts. Last time I posted a video with regards to gold and crude oil, it was early morning on Friday, and that was when we just had this news that there was this new variant that was spreading around south of Africa. And I did come out and say that this is very bad news for crude oil, and gold was having a nice bounce as well. But what a volatile day that we had on Friday. We've had crude oil, as you can see, it has absolutely plummeted going into the end of the week. This is something that I was saying a few episodes ago. I was saying, the crude oil has seen this wonderful rally all the way from $34. The past 6 months we've just been going up and up and up, and we barely even touched that the 200-day EMA. Since the 30th of October, we've only really touched it once. And when we was trading up here near that 50-day EMA, after having this 150% rally all the way from $30, I did say that eventually the market will get that glass of cold water and throw it over at investors' faces, because the market doesn't just go up and up and up. It does pull back time to time. But we saw this huge pullback of minus 12%. So that's 12.63% on Friday, and that's of course the worries that several countries may now go into lockdown. It's going to start to cancel flights, and we've already seen this. We've seen some countries like Israel and I think it's Morocco. They both come out and said that foreigners are not welcome to their country, and they've actually banned international flights for 14 days. So you can only return back to those countries if you are a resident, and I'm pretty certain many other countries will start to follow. So that's why we have seen the crude oil markets pull back rather significantly. But now it gets very interesting for crude oil. I previously circled this 200-day EMA in one of my previous videos because I said this is an area where I'm interested to buy. Now I have actually just gone and sent a trading signal over on our streaming service. That was a signal that I sent over in the Telegram group chat. If you would like to be part of that Telegram group chat, then I will explain towards the end of this video how you can be part of it. But this was an area where I was willing to buy, and of course we have that 23% Fibonacci retracement level down at $67. We have gone and touched that pinpoint, and we have started to bounce. So this is very promising. The only thing that I am slightly worried about is that we did in fact get that daily close below the 200-day EMA. So it'll be very interesting to see how the market reacts. But as I mentioned, I have just opened a trade, and if you would like to understand my entry and exit plans with regards to crude oil, then please do go and check it out over on our streaming service, where I posted a much more in-depth detailed video. But this is a fantastic money-making opportunity here in the crude oil, which offers fantastic value. Let's go over to the gold markets. Now, gold markets bounced initially, and this is because investors fear that interest rates, there was rumors that there's a 50% chance that interest rates could get hiked going into May 2022, but this may well get pushed back. When you have a dangerous variant like the one that we currently have now, it can change a lot of things very, very quickly. And of course, the tapering process is meant to begin next month. Whether that will still go ahead, I think it will, but there was also rumors that would get accelerated, especially as we go into Q1 and Q2 of 2022. But again, a variant like this can push things like that back, and of course that should be seen as a positive for gold. But that being said, I really do not like gold at this moment in time. Now, we do hold a sell position over in our private group chat. Again, if you would like to understand my exit strategy with regards to that trade, you can go and check it out in our streaming service. But we sold gold all the way up at 18.15 last week. And what I really like about gold here is that we have now gone and formed a shooting star pattern. We rallied up to 18.15, but just in the final hours of the trading session on Friday, we snapped back, and more importantly, we got that daily close below the 50 and 200-day EMA. And it looks to me that we are trying to form a death cross here, with a 50-day EMA pierces below the 200, and medium to long term that projects a bearish movement. So gold here is not looking good if you are a bull, but it's looking very good for myself and the rest of my signal followers over on Telegram, because I am shorting gold. So I thought I'll just come on here as we are on the cusp of a brand new trading week, and I just wanted to share some of my thought process with regards to gold and crude oil. Just come on here and share with you all my sentiment with regards to these two assets. So it's going to be a very interesting trading week, especially as we go in towards Christmas, and I'm sure there'll be plenty more news with regards to this variant. So do anticipate for the markets to be extremely volatile, but volatility means money-making opportunities. And also one thing that I forgot to mention over here on the crude oil markets, which I really like, is that the RSI, is telling us that we are very oversold. We have a reading all the way down at 26, so I do anticipate a lovely bounce here. Look what happened last time when we hit that 200-day EMA. We had that fantastic bounce, which sparked this rally here in the crude oil markets, where we actually went on and increased by 40%, pretty much, give or take 2 or 3 percentage points. And I'm not saying that that's going to go and happen again, but investors do have a price target here for the crude oil markets up and above $100 going into Q1 and Q2 2022. So as I was just mentioning, this week should offer some fantastic buying opportunities for the medium and long run. I really am excited for this trading week. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. How it works is really simple. We have 2 subscription plans. First one is a monthly fee of $19.99, and the second plan is only $209.99 for a year's subscription. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos, as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.